Regardless of where we are, who we are, or what we are going through in this world, at some point in time, we all move to music and rhythms that brighten our spirits. We kick and shake and bend and jump. We make our emotions visible. We join in on creating our realities. In the midst of this exciting duet with life is where you'll find me, somewhere dancing, somewhere continuously falling in love with the world and dance, one move at a time. My name is LaQuinda Renee, and I'm an ethnochoreologist. I study dance through culture and culture through dance, highlighting this art form and its artists' contributions to societies around the globe. Join me as we go on a journey through the adventures of dancers' lifestyles and the impact of dance, past, present, and future.